Introducing our state-of-the-art weighing system, designed for soft fruits, mushrooms, and fresh produce. This innovative solution ensures precision and efficiency for your packing needs. It all starts with manually feeding punnets onto a conveyor, where they glide effortlessly toward a dynamic checkweigher. This advanced technology accurately measures each punnet's weight in real time. From there, the punnets move to the weight sorting line, where smart diverters categorize them into 3 groups: overweight, underweight, and okay weight. This streamlined process minimizes errors and maximizes productivity, making it ideal for delicate produce. Once sorted, the punnets travel down 3 dedicated feeding conveyors, each connected to our 12 high-precision belt weighers. Here, operators manually add or remove a single unit of food like a berry or mushroom to achieve the exact target weight. This fine-tuning ensures every punnet meets your precise specifications, reducing waste and ensuring consistency for your customers. At the heart of our system is the manual weighing station, powered by 12 belt weighers for ultimate precision. Operated by just 2 to 4 people, this setup delivers impressive speed, processing 40 to 60 punnets per minute with exceptional accuracy. Each belt weigher ensures every punnet meets the target weight, making it perfect for delicate soft fruits like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, as well as mushrooms and other fresh produce. Discover our manual packing lines, crafted for delicate soft fruits, mushrooms, and fresh produce. Designed with ergonomic precision, these systems ensure gentle handling to preserve freshness and flawless appearance. From strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries to grapes, vine tomatoes, and fresh herbs, our versatile packing lines adapt to your needs, delivering consistent quality every time. With efficient workflows and precise weighing, operators can meet seasonal demands and customer expectations with ease. Elevate your packing process and keep your produce market ready with our flexible, high-quality solutions. Whether you're packing for retail, wholesale, or export, this system guarantees consistent quality, reduces product giveaway, and boosts your bottom line. From small farms to large-scale operations, our weighing system is the go-to solution for fresh produce packing. Discover how it can transform your business today.